Water damage can be any homeowner's worst nightmare. You can really see it coming. And it can cause some severe damage if not addressed right away. If you live in Winston-Salem, NC, knowing the basics of water damage restoration is essential. It can help you get things back to normal quickly and save you a lot of money and time down the line. So here's a quick look at how to deal with water damage in your home. What is water damage? Water damage happens when water sneaks into places in your home where it should not be, and it can lead to bigger problems over time. The causes might include a broken pipe, a faulty household appliance, an overloaded washing machine, sewage backup, or rainwater. The problem is not just the water itself, but also what the water does to the materials in your home. For example, if the water gets to your walls or under floors, it can cause mold issues or even weaken the structure of your house. What are the key components of water damage restoration? If you want to restore your Winston-Salem home to its pre-damage condition, the first thing you need to do is call professionals. They have the right tools and knowledge to identify the source of the problem and address it to stop any standing water from spreading and doing more damage. After the standing water is removed, they bring special equipment like dehumidifiers and air movers to dry out moisture hidden in places like walls and floors. This is important because if it stays wet, it could lead to mold or other damage. After everything is dry, the next step is to clean. Water can leave behind all sorts of nasty things, especially if it comes from a sewer or flooded river. This cleanup phase makes sure your home is safe to live in again. The final step is restoring any damage the water caused. This could be minor repairs or big ones, depending on how much water got in and where it went. Why you need to act fast. If water damage is not addressed right away, it can get a lot worse. Water can ruin things like carpets, walls, and furniture in no time. And in the humid subtropical climate of Winston-Salem, mold can also start growing fast if water sticks around. How to keep water damage from happening again? Prevention is another crucial component of water damage restoration. And though you can't prevent every kind of water damage, for example, water damage due to severe weather, there are things you can do to make it less likely to happen. Keeping your plumbing in good shape, sealing up your basement and crawl spaces to keep water out, and fixing leaks as soon as they happen can help a lot. Professional water damage restoration services in Winston-Salem, NC. If you are looking for experts in water damage restoration in Winston-Salem, NC, you cannot go wrong with AdvantaClean of the Triad. We offer quality and affordable water damage restoration services in the Triad area. We use the latest technology and our vast experience to survey the damage, identify the causes, and fix the root of the problem. Call AdvantaClean at 336-464-7934 or request the service via link today.